It's a way to get together when we're not working and enjoy some food in the outdoors. Alright, so today we got Quiet Nature's Redneck Olympics. It's our year-end event. What you can see here is our event board. So like this will be 22 points, 18 points. So well, this can be one, and then we have 4 teams of 5 of us. And we have a whole series of what we call redneck games. We got shooting, which was a shotgun and clays through the air. Flip pots, so we use plant pots and we flip those. So, kind of keep it work related a little bit. Tarp fold, we got to get three teammates on the smallest tarp possible. Mini truck races, I'm sure you'll see some of that. But that's the highlight, I think, of the whole day. 2 people race through the fields and around the yard in the mini trucks and try to get the best time. The coco disc toss, it's another work-related game. These coco discs that we put around shrubs and trees to help keep their root balls wet and weed-free. You have to toss those into plant pots. I have a water boil. It's where each team gets only so much wood, a match, and they have to make a can of water boil up and over. First team to do that wins. Then we're going to do a tug of war. 1, 2, 3, go! After that, we all go and have dinner, and just a good day, good fun, so. Quiet Nature Redneck Olympics.
No way, that's legit! That's legit!